केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो मतवारा हुआ रे, केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
How are you?
I'm fine.
So here you can see the main part of almost all is important here in Rome. Prime Minister Modi brought us a gift, a very, very good toffee. Mad.
मुझे खुशी है कि हम अपने संबंधों को अपग्रेड करते हुए स्पेशल स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप की घोषणा कर रहे हैं।
Parishrami ही सफलता की कुंजी आई।
जब ये आरएसएस के कार्यकर्ता आपके सामने आएंगे, नरेंद्र मोदी की बात करेंगे, उनसे आप सामने उनको कहो कि आपका प्रधानमंत्री गद्दार है।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Unless you've been living under a rock, your social media feed must have probably been flooded with just one thing today: Modi and Melanie. Ever since Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in Rome, every frame has gone viral. The Colosseum stroll, the car ride, the dinner, the sightseeing, the now famous selfies. But the moment that truly broke the internet, well, that was a packet of toffees. A part of a customary gift exchange, Prime Minister Modi gifted the Italian Prime Minister a pack of Melody toffees, cheekily reviving the internet's favorite Melody wordplay, the hashtag that blends Modi and Melanie's names. First exploded back in 2023 after Melanie posted a selfie with Prime Minister Modi at COP28 captioned Melody. This time, sharing the candy moment online, Melanie wrote, "Thank you for the gift. Here is the selfie video that has left Modi fans completely chocolatized and caramelized."
Prime Minister Modi brought us a gift, a very, very good toffee. Mad. Prime Minister Modi brought us a gift, a very, very good toffee. Mad.
This 12-second sweet interaction has clocked over 112 million views across social media platforms so far, and Melody quickly went out of stock in Indian markets, and Parle Industries share price hit the 5% upper circuit as investors rush to invest, despite the company having no connection with the brand. Its manufacturer, Parle Products, is not even listed on the Indian stock market. But beyond the viral moments, there was hardcore diplomacy at work as well. The two leaders held wide-ranging talks on trade, defense, clean energy, and technology. After the bilaterals, both said that India-Italy relations are at a decisive stage, evolving from a cordial friendship into a special strategic partnership.
Today here in Rome, we are further strengthening our relation all the way up to the special strategic partnership, the highest ever reached in the relations between our two nations. So I think it's safe to say that now Italy and India are closer than they have ever been. Our relations are now capable of expressing their fullest potential.
जब दो सभ्यताएं मिलती हैं तो बातचीत केवल एजेंडा तक सीमित नहीं होती। इसमें इतिहास की गहराई, भविष्य की दृष्टि और मित्रता की सहजता तीनों साथ दिखाई देते हैं।
But all the sweetness of the Modi-Meloni visit has clearly left a bitter aftertaste in the opposition ranks. Congress in particular went into full meltdown mode, unloading a laundry list of crises: unemployment, inflation, NEET controversy, soaring petrol prices, expensive LPG cylinders, fertilizer shortages, practically everything under the sun. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi mocked the Prime Minister for making reels in Italy while Indians battle an economic storm back home. Now, these attacks were political and predictable, but then Rahul Gandhi escalated his attack, openly calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi now a traitor.
जब ये आरएसएस के कार्यकर्ता आपके सामने आएंगे, नरेंद्र मोदी की बात करेंगे, अमित शाह की बात करेंगे, उनसे आप सामने उनको कहो कि आपका प्रधानमंत्री गद्दार है, आपका होम मिनिस्टर गद्दार है, आपका संगठन गद्दार है, आपने हिंदुस्तान को बेचने का काम किया है, आपने हमारे संगठन, आपने हमारे संविधान पर आक्रमण किया है। खुल के उनसे कहिए।
संविधान हिंदुस्तान की आवाज है, तो जो संविधान पर आक्रमण करता है, जो संविधान को नष्ट करता है, उसको आप क्या कहोगे? गद्दार कहोगे। इसीलिए मैंने खुल के कहा है कि नरेंद्र मोदी, अमित शाह संविधान पर आक्रमण कर रहे हैं। आरएसएस के लोग सुन लो, आपने कहा कि मुझे माफी मांगनी चाहिए, मैं कभी माफी नहीं मांगूंगा, फिर बोलूंगा।
The BJP said Rahul Gandhi has crossed every line of democratic decency, insulting not just the Prime Minister but the mandate of 140 crore Indians. They are demanding an unconditional apology, but Rahul Gandhi has already dug in his heels. You heard him declaring he will never apologize and even repeating the charge.
The people of India expect the opposition to give voice to what the people of India are thinking about their government today. And if we fail to do that, we will be traitors.
मैं मानता हूं कि लगातार हो रही हार, निराशा कहीं ना कहीं उनके स्वभाव और उनके चरित्र में दिख रहा है, और यही हताशा और निराशा आज उनके इस सब तरह के शब्दों के बयान आ रहे हैं। क्या नक्सलवाद खत्म करना गद्दारी है? क्या इस देश की जमीन को सुरक्षित रखना गद्दारी है? क्या इस देश के तिरंगे का सम्मान पूरे विश्व में बनाना गद्दारी है? और मैं मानता हूं कि भारतीय राजनीति का अपराहू है, जो कहीं न कहीं पूरे तरह से देश की राजनीति की वातावरण को गंदा और दूषित करते हैं।
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया ने एक प्रोग्राम में कहा कि नेशन को खिताब करते हुए कहा कि घर से काम शुरू करो और खुद बाहर के मुल्कों में चले गए। इस वक्त हमको टाफियाँ बांटने के बजाय मुल्क की इकानमी को मद्देनज़र रख के उसका देखना चाहिए कि जो आम गरीब आदमी इसमें पिस रहा है उसको कैसे बचाया जाए।
राहुल गांधी जी एक नाकाबिल आदमी है, एक नालायक राजनेता है, क्योंकि उनको जबरन उस कुर्सी पे बिठाया गया है जिसके वो काबिल नहीं है। जब उनको पूरी दुनिया में आज सम्मान मिल रहा है, वो सम्मान 140 करोड़ लोगों का है। इसलिए जो अपशब्द बोले गए हैं वह भी देश के लोगों के प्रति बोले गए हैं। राहुल गांधी जी को देश के लोगों से माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
Well, that brings me to the legitimate question on the news hour tonight. By calling Prime Minister a traitor, is Rahul Gandhi betraying Indians themselves? One melody so bitter? That's the question and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight in the studio with me, Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, political commentator, today maybe a diplomatic expert as well. Abhijit Iyer Mitra, senior fellow at the IPCS, also a strategic affairs expert. Dr. Fuad Halim, leader of the CPM, joining me live from Kolkata. Advocate Anmol Pawar, national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Sunil Singh, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. But my first question goes to Tehseen Poonawalla, Congress supporter. And Tehseen Poonawalla, why are you so bitter about one melody? It's a gesture. The internet made, a name, a hashtag, Melanie and Modi when they were together, and the Prime Minister took upon it. Gen Z is loving it. The internet is loving it. That one video has done millions, 100 million and counting, views. Why is the Congress such a bad loser? Why are you having a meltdown?
Thank you for having me on the show, Navika, and thank you so much for all the adjectives for the opposition party. We don't care if Melody itni chocolatey kyun hai ya nahi hai. Just don't give us the gems from the government that selling pakoras is employment at a time when GDP is at its highest. And that's something Prime Minister Modi promised us. He will take the GDP up. He has taken the GDP up. Gas, diesel, petrol. ऐसे ऊपर ले गए वो और ऐसे रुपये को नीचे ले गया that the rupee is the worst performing currency. So the Honorable Prime Minister may please distribute his chocolates. We have no problem with it. But can this government and its babus dimag ki batti jalao, taking from another cash line of another sweet that is made in India, and tell us that what is the state of the Indian economy today? With the employment today in doldrums, with GST reforms that was supposed to happen and give relief to taxpayers, we've got none of that. In fact, with the new labor reforms, ask your employees at times now. Ask them, ma'am, right now, the salaries have been cut, money in hand has come lower. That is the situation. Today, yes, it's a fact. Today, don't put your hand like that, doctor. It's a fact that I'm saying on Times Now. Third thing, today the Indian saving is at its all-time lowest. Indian personal debt is its all-time highest, including the nation's debt. The worst situation. Repeatedly before the war, we warned you that there will be a shortage of oil and gas. On your show, ma'am, we were mocked. Today, the Prime Minister himself says there's a shortage. Let's believe, and I agree with the Prime Minister, it's not his doing. Please tell me, Manavika, just hold on. How many of his chief ministers and ministers have cut their entourage? How many cars have been cut? What is the relief they are giving us? आप है मस्ती में और यहाँ पर जल रही है बस्ती, आग लगी है बस्ती में. Please, we are not interested in that. We want real solutions.
तुकबंदी पे थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस जरूरत है और आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में भी थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस जरूरत है. If your दिमाग की बत्ती is, actually jaloing, then you would know that there is no shortage. We have the maximum number of stocks that we can have.
Don't.
1 minute. Hold on. Did I interrupt you, Tehseen Poonawalla? दिमाग की बत्ती पर काम करो. अभी मेरी बात सुनो. I am just saying that we have stocks. Countries that sell oil are looking at the situation in West Asia and deciding how much they want to release. That is the situation. But does this merit a statement के प्रधानमंत्री गद्दार है? Have you lost your sense of proportion? Is that how your दिमाग की बत्ती is jaloing? I think फट गया है. It is actually burst. Faulty बत्ती लगाई है, faulty बिजली लगाई है आपने.
Okay, I'll reply in one line. Today, no, nobody is against the Prime Minister's situation was good, had a nice reel. When the time India is actually suffering, and we are suffering, and you don't want to project that, just like the laughter during demonetization, where the Honorable Prime Minister was laughing while people were standing, and you don't want to accept the impeding crisis, I will give one data and end. We don't have the maximum stock. In the last 10 years, China built reserves of 1 billion reserves to hold 1 billion barrels. India doesn't have 21 million barrels, and those reserves were built by Manmohan Singh. That is the failure of this government, and it is our right to question this government कि आग लगी है बस्ती में, भाजपा अपनी मस्ती में. I stand by it.
Shehzad Poonawalla.
See, GDP has gone up, but it is gaslighting, deviation and propaganda by Congress, which is the GDP that has gone up. First of all, I can understand why Tehseen is upset today. See, anything which is Make in India, Melody is a Make in India brand. By the way, it is made by the Parle G company. Parle G biscuits are also very famous product of that. And in one stroke, you have had a product which has gone completely off the shelf. And this company under Prime Minister Modi has recorded 1,000 crore profit. Guess whom they are employing? All Indians. But they would have liked कि Ferrero Rocher देते, Venchi देते, Lindt देते, Toblerone देते, तब तो बात बनती. I thought at least today Tehseen and Rahul Gandhi would have been very happy कि ननिहाल के साथ अच्छे रिश्ते बना रहे भाई. Italy is mother's country. तो I thought at least on that front Congress would have been very happy today celebrating कि चलो इंडिया इटली के रिश्ते बनाने में जितना सोनिया जी का हाथ नहीं था उससे ज्यादा आज मोदी जी का हाथ है. परंतु anyways, now let's come to the point one by one. Tehseen Poonawalla says that there has been a salary cut. Yes, there has been salary cut only in the state of Himachal, where, by the way, I have increased the petrol and diesel prices by 5 rupees, and not one debate has Tehseen or anybody in the opposition been able to explain how that price, petrol price rise is a patriotic petrol price rise, and what after 4 years, if 3.5-4 rupees is increased, that is unpatriotic price rise. Secondly, let us understand now Gaddari word. This is nothing new. Congress का तो हो ही गया है यही पहचान कि प्रधानमंत्री का करो अपमान, संवैधानिक पदों का करो अपमान. 150 bad words have been used for Prime Minister, and for what? Today Prime Minister has gone abroad. He has got 30 million barrels of our strategic petroleum reserves increased from UAE. In Netherlands we have 17 agreements that have taken place, including semiconductor deal. In Sweden we have had a trade and defense investment agreement. In Norway, first time 43 years the Prime Minister has visited, it has opened up the IMEC doors because it's a gateway to Europe. And in Italy we are having a strategic partnership, and that will also further strengthen IMEC. Is Congress party opposed to this? And I want to ask now Tehseen Poonawalla very specific questions. Tehseen Poonawalla should tell us that if everything is so wrong in this foreign policy, Sharad Pawar to BJP के agent नहीं है ना, BJP join नहीं की ना, Sharad Pawar, Prime Minister Modi is making all efforts to actually save the Indian interests. This is a direct answer to Rahul Gandhi. And देखिए मैं मोदी जी को बोलना चाहता हूँ, मोदी जी करे तो करे क्या, वो मीम है ना. सुनिए ये बयान है 2023 का.
मोदी जी बड़े शौकीन आदमी हैं और शौक भी बड़े महंगे महंगे वाले. 2023 में जब नरेंद्र मोदी यूएस गए तो उन्होंने वहां पर अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति जो बाइडेन की पत्नी जिल बाइडेन को 7.5 कैरेट का एक डायमंड गिफ्ट किया था.
डायमंड दे तो अभी डायमंड दे $20,000 का तो मुश्किल, अभी 5-10 रुपए की टॉफी पकड़ा दी तो मुश्किल. तो मोदी जी करे तो करे क्या?
अनमोल पवार, that there are problems in this country, has the Prime Minister himself not said that we are facing tough headwinds given the global situation? The Prime Minister is aware of it. He is taking every step. His government is taking every step. And there is, in an international situation of this kind, there is, some amount of impact that's going to come. And those debates are parallelly happening. Has anybody stopped debating, discussing other issues? But why is everybody going nuts about melody? Prime Minister photo खिंचवा रहे हैं, अरे Prime Minister reel बना रहे हैं. Why do you have, forget the press freedom index, you should now have a country's humor index that should be made. And in this country, I think the humor in the political class is running in the negative. Why can't you see that it is an internet celebration, not really that people have forgotten the realities of their life? Why do you pick on everything that is just so inconsistent? इतनी आग क्यों लगती है आपको?
Good evening, Navika ji. Navika ji, Congress is the most non-serious opposition party in our country today, so I don't take them seriously anymore.
So you don't believe today, the Prime Minister is a gaddar? You don't believe Prime Minister is a traitor?
He said petrol.
पाठशाला बोलकर मधुशाला बेचने वाले.
नाविका,
आपकी बात करो. Don't get us into a debate. पाठशाला बोलते मधुशाला बेचने वाले लोग, 1 पे 1 गोल्डन कमोड पे बैठकर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने वाले सुबह में लोग, हमें मत आप सिखाओ. गोल्डन कमोड पर कौन बैठता है? महाराजा अरविंद.
अच्छा ठीक है, अब हम बात पूरी कर लें अपनी. Let me complete, Navika ji.
Anmol Pawar, please carry on. Please carry on.
BJP को attack करो. Don't be the BJP of BJP.
You are the champion of freedom of speech, Tehseen Poonawalla. Don't censor his speech. He will say what he wants to say. You say what you want to say. Anmol Pawar, I will protect his interests and his rights. Anmol Pawar, please go.
Golden Commode जिंदाबाद. इनको क्या पैसे की कमी पड़ी?
Today India is facing a deep economic crisis. Petrol, gas and diesel, they are increasing. Inflation is rising, unemployment is rising, and at this time people of this country expect clear and direct answers from the ruling government. There are 8 simple questions which I'll ask to BJP spokesperson. Question number 1, why is our Prime Minister working under US pressure? Ram Madhav ji ने categorically कहा था कि US के दबाव में है. Second question, why did we stop buying cheap Iran oil under US sanctions? Question number 3, why did we reduce our import by more than 60% from Russia? Question number 4, before the elections the government said everything is normal, then what happened just after the elections that you raised price of commercial cylinder, gas and petrol, everything you increased LPG? Question number 5, Modi ji's 2 billionaire friends refine 30% of the oil and then export them? Why don't you ask them to stop making profits for some time and help this country in the need of crisis? Question number 6. You never passed on the benefits of cheap crude oil. In 2014, it was $108 barrel. Today, it is 110 barrel. At that time, diesel was ₹55. Today, diesel is almost 90. Janta ko kabhi labh kyun nahi diya? You hiked excise duty in last 10 years by more than 16 times, and you earned 48 lakh crores.
How many more questions, sir? 200 more
Question number 7. Why is Indian rupee weakening day by day?
Okay.
One more question. Why is Indian rupee weakening day after day? मोदी जी कहते थे ना कि रुपया गिरता है तो देश की साख गिरती है. लगातार देश की साख गिर रही है, 100 पहुंचने वाला है. And my last question is that why are Modi ji's friend investing in US and they are promising that we'll give employment there when we are facing unemployment when in our country unemployment is at an all-time high.
All right, eight questions. The answers will come. At least the BJP is saying they will answer. They are not saying melody khao khud jaan jao. They will answer the question. But Anand Ranganathan, why are they losing their shirts on a simple internet moment? Modi ji, I think has played to a script. He knew ye sare irritate honge. That's why he did that moment. And look at it. You know, over 110 million views of that one video, all because Indian political parties and their followers have lost their shirt.
गुड इवनिंग नाविका. अगर सिर्फ शर्ट ही लूज करी होती तो इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. कुछ और भी लूज कर दिया इन्होंने शर्ट के अलावा. लेकिन मैं उस पर बाद में आऊंगा. फर्स्ट आई वांट टू से दिस कि कैन आई प्लीज, मैं आई कैन फॉरगो माई प्रेजेंस ऑन योर शो. कैन आई प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट यू टू हैव अ डिजिटल पैनल विद लाइव फैक्ट चेकिंग, बिकॉज जो प्रीवियस 2 पैनलिस्ट हैं इतना झूठ फैला दिया कि मेरे अंदर का कीड़ा फड़फड़ा के जाग रहा है ऊपर से. इट्स गोना
शहजाद की बात कर रहे हैं.
शहजाद भाजपा झूठ ही झूठ बोलते हैं.
तहसीन
झूठों के बीच में सच बोलते हैं.
ओके, ऑल राइट. तहसीन, यू आस्क्ड फॉर इट. आनंद, गो अहेड.
Yeah, पहली बात तो I have been and continue to be against demonetization, but to spread the fake news that Prime Minister was laughing, he was doing exactly the opposite. He was actually in tears during demonetization, and that is a video that is often publicized. Secondly, when he is saying that Times Now की salary कम हो गई है, absolutely fake news. Navika की salary बढ़ गई है, as is what Navika told me. Now, let me come to Anmol ji. इतना फेक न्यूज फैला रहे हो भाई. आप क्या सोचते हो कि वहां पे इंटरनेट आ रहा है, हमारे यहां इंटरनेट नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि रिलायंस दे रहा है. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ गई है. पिछले साल क्लेम्स रिपोर्ट है 47 मिलियन जॉब्स वर क्रिएटेड. इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ गई है. आपको पता है 10 साल में सबसे कम इन्फ्लेशन है. इतनी कम थी अभी 0.53% थी ईरान वॉर से पहले. इतना झूठ तो मत बोलो. आई थिंक तहसीन इज राइट कि गोल्डन कमोड पे बैठ के थोड़े सेंस में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, लोबोटमी करानी पड़ती है. नाउ लेट मी कम टू द प्रॉब्लम एट हैंड, बिकॉज मुद्दे से इन दोनों ने इतना भटका दिया है. राहुल गांधी इज राइट. प्राइम मिनिस्टर देश से गद्दारी करी है, लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम है, बताया नहीं देश कौन सा है. मे बी जो राहुल गांधी का देश है उससे गद्दारी करिए, क्योंकि अगर देश इंडिया है तो आप मुझे यह बताइए कि जो ये 5 नेशन की विजिट करी है, इसमें $5 बिलियन का डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट आया है एंड प्रॉमिस ऑफ $110 बिलियन. क्या ये गद्दारी है देश से? क्या ये गद्दारी है नाविका देश से कि 110 मिलियन टॉयलेट्स बनाए हैं और हर हाउस होल्ड को जिसको एक टॉयलेट मिला है इज सेविंग 50,000 रुपीज इन हेल्थ कॉस्ट? क्या इसको गद्दार कहेंगे? क्या उसको गद्दार कहेंगे कि आपने 100 मिलियन गैस सिलेंडर्स दिए और हर साल 1.5 लाख आपकी लाइफ बच रही है बिकॉज हाउस होल्ड पोल्यूशन वॉज द बिगेस्ट चाइल्ड किलर इन इंडिया? क्या ये गद्दार करता है? क्या ये गद्दार करता है कि 440 मिलियन आयुष्मान हेल्थ कार्ड्स दे और 120 मिलियन लोगों को ट्रीट करे? आउट ऑफ पॉकेट एक्सपेंडिचर 24% स्लैश करे? ये गद्दारों के काम होते हैं. मैं बताता हूं गद्दारों के काम क्या होते हैं. गद्दारों के काम होते हैं एक गद्दार वाले कंट्री में जाके एमओयू साइन करना, जो कि 15 साल हो जाए आज तक बताए ना एमओयू में था क्या. ये गद्दारी का काम होता है. गद्दारी का काम होता है अपना लैंड बेच देना और फिर कहना अरे क्या कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वहां पे तो एक ब्लेड ऑफ ग्रास भी नहीं उगता था. इसको गद्दार कहते हैं. गद्दार उसको कहते हैं कि अपना 80% वाटर पाकिस्तान को दे दे, उसके 5 साल बाद लड़ाई शुरू हो जाए. वो गद्दार है तहसीन. अपने गद्दारों को पहचानो.
Well, Dr. Fuad Halim. Dr. Fuad Halim, to call the Prime Minister a traitor because he is on a 4-nation visit, 5-nation visit. He has gone and signed various semiconductor, critical minerals deals with these countries, renewable and green energy, higher education MOUs, petroleum reserves, also potential opportunity for sale and purchase of long-term LPG supplies. All kinds of strategic agreements have been signed. Rahul Gandhi calls this a traitor's act. I just want to ask you, why would Rahul Gandhi say this? Just because he's irritated about Prime Minister's lighter note picture with the Prime Minister of Italy, Miss Meloni? Just that one? I mean, have we lost all sense of proportion, perspective, and we call anybody by anything regardless of who we are talking about and what's the context?
Well, I believe, and my party sincerely believes, that the Prime Minister of India should have gone on a nation tour which included Russia and Iran. Primarily what India is at the moment facing is a severe fuel crisis, and one of our major suppliers, Russia, did not seem to be on the visiting list of Narendra Modi, and that itself creates huge questions. The second is the chief supplier of oil to India would have been Iran, which definitely Narendra Modi, for whatever reasons he has not visited. Now one has to understand that India lying under the...
Just to interject, because you're factually incorrect, at the BRICS summit, there was the Russian foreign minister and the Iranian foreign minister who's just been here.
Let me finish.
No, you're factually incorrect, so I'm correcting you on Russia and Iran, sir. Facts are important, sir.
I am... Would you let me finish, Nabika? I am not very inclined to be on your program, which is BJP sponsored. So if you don't let me speak, I have no issue.
Well, Dr. Fuad Halim, if you're not very keen, with due respect to you, respect is often very mutual. If you don't have respect for the show on which you have agreed to sit,
you as a BJP spokesperson, if you are going to continuously represent Times Now as a BJP media
Dr. Fuad Halim, I take no certificates from anybody, least of all a CPM member, a party that has found no foothold in any part of the country. You have lost your bastion, sir. Nobody is voting for your party. You may be a fringe player in the Tamil Nadu government, but that's about it. You just count for the numbers. You calling me names is certainly not dignifying your own statement, sir. You want to talk on the subject, you are most welcome to. I am not sitting here to get certificates from Dr. Fuad Halim.
Can I please come in, because the relevant comments were made on my party also. First of all, let me just say this, that Fuad Halim's wife was on contract with a channel which is owned by the conglomerate They Abuse Daily. But there was, anyways, I don't want to get into that.
Let's not bring family members into it.
हम भी बहुत पर्सनल हो सकते हैं. Anyway, त्रिपुरा मुक्त हो गया लेफ्ट, केरलम मुक्त हो गया लेफ्ट, बंगाल मुक्त हो गया लेफ्ट, अब शायद टाइम्स नाउ स्टूडियो मुक्त भी हो गया लेफ्ट. अच्छी बात है. Let me come to the questions that have been posed by Anmol Pawar. 8 questions. Let me answer some of them, whatever time you permit me. US pressure था. अगर US pressure था तो then why we had 50% tariff? If we under pressure took everything and we were nominating them for Nobel Peace Prize, then हम लोग को 50% tariff क्यों लगता? Contradictory statement. Secondly, cheap Iran oil कब बंद किया? Sir, it was stopped in the time of Congress party when Iran के साथ संबंध पे अमेरिका ने डांट लगाई तो 2 बार वोट अगेंस्ट किया और आपने उसी कांग्रेस के साथ हाथ मिलाया. Facts पढ़ के आया करो. Reduce 60% of Russian oil. Which world are you living in? Today our purchase from Russian oil is the highest. In fact, 45 to 50%, and all through 2022 to 2026, there has been 38 to 40%. In fact, the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party said that go vote against Russia and stand with Ukraine. They did not want us to buy the Russian oil. Adani, Ambani is investing in America. They have invested in Punjab also. Punjab की investment खत्म कर दो ना. पंजाब में कैसे investment उनका एकदम legal और बढ़िया होता है और कहीं और करे तो गलत हो जाता है. And by the way, the benefits of cheap crude oil were passed on to the consumers by keeping the inflation low and giving excise cut of 10 rupees rupees. Punjab, by the way, increased petrol price not once, not twice, but 3 times between 2022 to 2026. And in fact, one of the highest VAT rates in the country as we speak is of Punjab. तो पंजाब में क्यों नहीं आप वैट काटते? पर आई वांट टू टेल तहसीन पूनावाला ऑल्सो, तहसीन पूनावाला ने बोला कि टॉफी क्या है, टॉफी, ये टॉफी देते थे पाकिस्तान। 1 सेकेंड सर, आपकी पार्टी की जितनी सीटें उतना ही समय मिलेगा। टॉफी पाकिस्तान को देते थे, टॉफी किस प्रकार से पीओके देकर टॉफी दे दिया, टॉफी चाइना को देते थे, अक्साई चीन का, यूनाइटेड नेशन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल का, टॉफी पाकिस्तान को अमेरिका के दबाव में देते थे कि 26/11 के बाद कोई हमला नहीं करेंगे।
इतना मेल्टडाउन क्यों है, इतना मेल्टडाउन क्यों है? एंड आई वांट टू
अगस्ता वेस्टलैंड वाला टॉफी 3 से 4 चॉपर खरीदे, आज तक यूज नहीं हो पा रहे और उसमें भ्रष्टाचार का टॉफी खाया।
वेल शहजाद पूनावाला, ये सारी टॉफियों के कई इन्वेस्टिगेशन आपने भी खोल रखे हैं, बट वी हैवंट सीन यू नो व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दोज इन्वेस्टिगेशंस, सो दैट डिबेट ऑन अनदर डे। बट सुनील सिंह जी, आई वांट टू आस्क यू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा है कि हमारे लिए मुश्किल की घड़ी है, हमें अपनी आदतें चेंज करनी पड़ेंगी, हमारे देश के सामने चैलेंजेस हैं, सारी दुनिया के सामने चैलेंजेस हैं। इस पर कांग्रेस पार्टी और आपकी पार्टी को इतना प्रॉब्लम क्यों है? क्योंकि एक फोटो में मेलोनी, मोदी, मेलोडी आ गई तो आप सब इतने नाराज हो गए कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर को गद्दार बुलाने लग गए?
देखिए नाविका जी, प्रधानमंत्री जी के बारे में जो शब्द बोले गए हैं, हो सकता वो थोड़े कड़वे शब्द हों, उनसे हम सहमति नहीं रखते हैं, लेकिन जो बात माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने देश के 140 करोड़ लोगों के सामने रखी थी, और ये सच है कि वैश्विक संकट है। खुद प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है कि डीजल कम खर्चा किया जाए, पेट्रोल कम खर्चा किया जाए, सोना न खरीदा जाए। उन्होंने किसानों से भी अनुरोध किया कि आप यूरिया, डीएपी का इस्तेमाल कम करें, जैविक खाद का इस्तेमाल ज्यादा करें। तो जब उसके बाद जिस तरीके का वीडियो आया है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का, तो क्या हमको आपको लगता नहीं है ये देश के करोड़ों किसानों को चिढ़ाने वाला है? देश के बेरोजगारों को जो लाइन में लगे उनको चिढ़ाने वाला वीडियो है? जो गैस की लाइन में लगे हैं, डीजल पेट्रोल की लाइन में लगे हैं, उनको चिढ़ाने वाला वीडियो है? जिस देश की
वो नहीं चिढ़ रहे हैं, उन्होंने 100 मिलियन से ऊपर व्यूज दे दिए, चिढ़ आप रहे हैं,
वीडियो आ रहा है
हुजूर, चिढ़ आप रहे हैं, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ज्यादा चिढ़ रही हैं, जनता नहीं चिढ़ रही।
सुन, कैसी बात करें? अच्छा नाविका जी, अगर 100 मिलियन व्यूज आ गए हैं तो इसका मतलब उसको उपलब्धि मानेंगे? अरे इससे भी खराब कोई काम करके, इससे भी धोखे वाला कोई काम करके, ये दूसरे तरीके से वीडियो बना ले, हो सकता वो इसको भी पार कर
ये धोखा लगता है आपको?
हो जाएगा।
नहीं, ये आपको धोखा लगता है। अगर प्रधानमंत्री 5 नेशंस के ट्रिप पे जाते हैं और स्ट्रेटेजिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स करते हैं, डील्स करते हैं, आपको ये देश की तरफ धोखा लगता है?
नहीं, धोखा वो है जो बेरोजगार महसूस कर रहे हैं इस देश का, धोखा वो है जो किसान महसूस कर रहे हैं, धोखा वो है जो सीमा पर खड़ा जवान महसूस कर रहा है, धोखा वो है जो 2014 में बातें कही गई थी रुपए को लेकर के, महंगाई को लेकर के, देश की सीमाओं को लेकर के, देश की बेटियों को लेकर के। वो धोखा नहीं लग रहा है आपको?
अगर धोखा है, देन अभिजीत अय्यर मित्रा, आई वांट टू आस्क यू, इफ दिस इज अ धोखा, then why does the BJP keep winning elections? Why do people keep voting for them? Why is the opposition in a twist over, you know, one video of the Prime Minister that has irked them so much that they are calling it dhokha, just because the Prime Minister has proved his electoral prowess and supremacy after winning Bengal after 15 years? Does he still need to prove this to the political parties?
So you know, Navika, I want to start off by strongly condemning Shehzad Poonawala. You know, Rahul Gandhi is your man sitting in the Congress, undermining the Congress for you. और तुम पीठ में खंजर मार रहे हो भाई, ये क्या होता है? What kind of a BJP spokesperson are you, भाई? माफी मांगो. This is not done. you don't backstab your own troops. Okay, now can I applaud great leader of the opposition, Honorable Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, who is the youth icon, the youth heart emperor of India. Because, you know, every time Modi gets any kind of negative publicity, Rahul Gandhi pulls off something that gives him such amazing positive publicity. You see, they wanted this to end on the note of that unheard of Norwegian journalist heckling the Prime Minister. Nobody is even talking about that on Twitter anymore. Everybody is talking about this Melody Toffee, this thing, which is incredibly cute. Now, can I just tell you, this man, his points itself goes against. He says, when we are suffering from rising prices, energy crisis, whatnot, how can he travel abroad? Where has he gone, Navika? First UAE. Why? To set up a strategic petroleum reserve. He then goes to the Netherlands. Why? Because the Netherlands is a world leader in energy conservation. Do you know they are the biggest agricultural exporter, smallest country, biggest agricultural exporter, and their agriculture, which is vertical agriculture, has the smallest footprint and the lowest energy consumption. Right? So energy efficiency. Third, he goes to Norway and signs a deal for semiconductors because you want manufacturing here, and they are pioneers in green hydrogen, which is something, if you remember, Nitin Gadkari was driving a hydrogen Toyota Camry special edition for a while to popularize hydrogen. That is another technology we need. Then he goes to Italy. Why? Because Italy, 20% of their GDP, it's our fourth biggest trading partner. It is exactly in times where you're facing an uncertain economic environment that you go shore up your relations with all your biggest buyers, consumers, and people who can help you out with energy self-sufficiency. Ab nahi jaoge to aur kab jaoge? Now, the communist leader who walked out, just this month, Navika, Abbas Araghchi has been in Delhi, the Iranian foreign minister. Sergei Lavrov was here just 4 days back. I don't know if you remember that funny thing where he threatened to take out his gun and shoot somebody who went on interrupting him on the phone. Absolutely. Literally 4 days back. They want people to go to Moscow when they don't even know Moscow came to Delhi 4 days back. भाई क्या कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी हो, खुद अपने वतन से यूएसएसआर का क्या हो रहा है आप जानते नहीं हो. So I just want to say, you know, Rahul Gandhi is the best thing that happened to the BJP. I salute him. He is a very strong, brave foot soldier, and I want to reiterate my strong condemnation of Shehzad Poonawalla for backstabbing a fellow BJP Swayam Sevak like that. Very shocking.
Well, hands going up. Coming to Anmol Pawar first. Anmol.
नाविका जी, शहजाद जी सेड के वैट जो है वो सबसे कम है बीजेपी के राज्यों में. असम, बिहार, गोवा, एमपी, महाराष्ट्र, उड़ीसा, राजस्थान has the highest VAT rate. And on 23/5/2012, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji said massive hike in petrol price is an example of failure of government. On 19th November 2023, JP Nadda, their ex-president, said we will decrease VAT on petrol and diesel. And on 24/5/2012, Prime Minister Modi ji said VAT rates on petrol in opposition ruled state are higher than in Gujarat. मैं जब आऊँगा तो कम करूँगा. And listen to this.
तो कम करा है. It is only in states that are not ruled by the BJP that you know, duties and taxes are higher. Shehzad Poonawalla, why don't they get that?
1 second. I just have a simple test. अरे ज़्यादा complication की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No, I think Mr. Pawar has spoken. I heard him. Navika, I think in interest of fair debate. Navika, now can I speak? Navika, now can I?
देश के प्रधानमंत्री को तो आप मानते नहीं. राम माधव का नाम जप रहे.
Ram Madhav was absolutely wrong. I'm saying it officially as BJP national spokesperson. Ram Madhav was absolutely wrong.
He apologized. He said
yes,
he was wrong.
Exactly. Now let me continue. Please let me continue, because now you tell me, why was your Sathi Congress, because at that time you were with Congress, opposing the buying of Russian oil, and tell me why Kejriwal did not oppose it. By the way, Kejriwal is saying America का war Iraq से चल रहा है. ये तो पता चला कि ये भी होश में नहीं रहते. दूसरे वाले तो असेंबली होश में नहीं जाते. ये तो इराक वॉर बोल रहे हैं, ईरान वॉर को इराक वॉर बोल रहे हैं. तो एनीवेज, आई डोंट वांट टू टेक दिस मैन वेरी सीरियसली. 3 बार पंजाब में वैट बढ़ाया, उसमें कुछ कुछ नहीं बोला. Now I want to come to Sunil Sajan because he is a legitimate party with some stake. सुनील साजन जी ने बोला कि गद्दार शब्द को हम कठोर मानते हैं. सुनील जी इज ए गुड मैन. नाविका जी, आप गुड पर्सन को बुलाती है समाजवादी पार्टी से, पर इनके यहां पे एक वेरी बैड मैन है राजकुमार भाटी, जो कभी हिंदू को गाली, कभी रामायण को गाली, कभी ब्राह्मण को गाली, पूरे समाज को गाली. और सुनील जी तो है मुंडे ऐसे हिलाए, ऐसे मुंडी हिलाएंगे, गौ माता की तरह मुंडी हिलाए. पर अरे भाई बताओ कि कार्रवाई क्या होगी, कार्रवाई क्या होगी उन पे, कोई तो बताएंगे नहीं.
मेलोडी से आप गौ माता पे जाएंगे तो दिस विल बी टोटली ऑफ डिबेट.
उनका दूसरा पॉइंट, उन्होंने बोला कि किसानों के साथ धोखा हो रहा है. तो आपको बता दूं, पार्ले जी कंपनी का लास्ट ईयर रेवेन्यू था, टोटल रेवेन्यू 18,000 करोड़. 18,000 करोड़ में से मान लो कि 30 to 40% भी अगर वो प्रोडक्ट सोर्सिंग ऑफ व्हीट, शुगर, व्हीट, फ्लावर, मिल्क सॉलिड्स, मिल्क, ये सब उनको वो कंज्यूम करते हैं भारत से ही बनाकर. 7,500 से 8,000 करोड़ के वो प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदते हैं और उसको प्रोसेस करके एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं. ये किसानों का ही फायदा है कि पार्ले जी का, इंडियन कंपनी का सेल्स बड़े मान्यवर. इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं थोड़ा सोच समझ के बोलो.
सुनील सिंह जी,
नाविका आपने प्रॉमिस किया था मुझे आने.
आ रही
जी देखिए नाविका जी मैं 1 मिनट में अपनी बात खत्म कर दूंगा. कभी कभी हम लोग ये महसूस करते हैं कि किसानों पर वो लोग बोलते हैं जो किसान को महसूस नहीं करते, गरीबी पे वो बोलते हैं जो कभी गरीब नहीं थे, और बेरोजगारों की वो बात उठाते हैं जो कभी लाइन में लग करके फार्म नहीं भरे. ये हमारे अच्छे साथी हैं. मैं केवल आपके कार्यक्रम
आप किसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं? राहुल गांधी जी के बारे में बोल रहे हैं.
अगर कोई संकट में है, दुख की घड़ी, सुन लीजिए, अगर कोई संकट में है, दुख की घड़ी में है, परेशान है, क्या आप जाकर के उसके सामने हंसेंगे, ठिठोली करेंगे और मुस्कुराएंगे?
ऑल राइट,
अगर ये सच है,
फेयर पॉइंट. लेट मी टेक दैट टू आनंद रंगनाथन. आनंद रंगनाथन, द समाजवादी पार्टी spokesperson says that the prime minister's lighter moments in Italy are actually taking a dig at all those who are suffering in India. That is what he thinks. What do you think?
नहीं तो क्या आदमी हंसना और हर अपनी लाइफ लीड करना बंद कर दे? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस. थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन पैरेलल. प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज वरीड अबाउट 200 थिंग्स. यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन वन. अब कल को कहें कि देश में लोगों के पास खाना खाने को नहीं है, अखिलेश जी खाना खा रहे हैं, दही भल्ले खा रहे हैं, तो मना करो फिर. It doesn't go like that. But मैं अनमोल जी की बात करना चाहता हूं. ये देखिए, मान सिंह ने वैट बढ़ा, सॉरी ये गलत, मैंने पंजाब की गलत इमेज दिखा दी.
On national TV you cannot show visuals of.
I wanted to show this. I wanted to show this. आप शहजाद is absolutely right. आप government has Tehseen, don't smile. आप government has increased VAT on fuel 3 times. Now why would it do so? I'll tell you why it would do so. Because one question my brother can answer, will he, when AAP came into office in Punjab, what was Punjab's debt in lakh crores and what is it now? बस simple दे दो.
अनमोल पवार,
कोट कर रहे हो ना.
8 questions you asked, 1 question Anand Ranganathan asking you. Please respond.
एक में ही काम तमाम.
बस एक आंसर कर.
एक में ही काम तमाम.
Anand Ranganathan ji, please ask the government that why did they hike excise duty by 16 times in last 10 years? Do you have the spine
What is your debt today, sir? The question, no. I am sitting here moderating this session. The question asked was, what was the debt when you took over? What is the debt today? Simple question. No, what about it?
बताओ.
Navika ji, the people, your viewers are watching that I asked 8 simple questions. None was answered. You didn't
ask. Each one of them has been answered, sir. One question asked to you. One question asked to you. Please respond.
Let me respond.
Yes, please respond.
Yes, I'm responding. We inherited a debt-ridden state, but we have reduced the debt by more than 1 lakh crore in last 5 years.
What rubbish!
Look at the budget this year.
Absolute rubbish!
We have fulfilled all our promises.
Rubbish!
We have fulfilled all our promises.
Okay, all right. There are 5 people who are having a meltdown. Anand Ranganathan, what was the debt then? What is the debt now? Please. Facts, please. Only facts.
The debt has doubled. For exact figures, I now pass it the baton on to my dear friend Tehseen Poonawalla.
Tehseen, what is the debt? of Punjab.
It is currently 4.47 lakh crores. It was about 1.8 lakh crores when they took over, which was in line with the GDSP. What are they talking? And Bhagat Manji said that debt चुकाना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. डेट तभी होता है जब चुकाई.
डेट का क्या है? आगे बढ़ता रहेगा. That is economic policy that was being spoken about.
देश ने देखा है तुम्हारा खटाखट
नाविका one second. नाविका one intervention. मेरा भी हाथ ऊपर था. नाविका one intervention. Punjab is now the second most debt-ridden state. Official spokesperson has said 1 lakh crore से debt Punjab का कम हुआ. If he can prove it, extend the show for 5 minutes. I will quit politics or he will quit. I will quit politics if he can show that 1 lakh crore से debt कम हुआ, or else he quits it. एक बार नाविका कर दो फैसला. आम आदमी पार्टी वर्सेस
सवाल का जवाब.
I will quit politics.
सवाल आपसे पूछे उनका जवाब.
और चिल्लाना शुरू हो गया.
No, you asked him a question. He is proving it. Sit down. No. You said 1 lakh crore से कम हुआ है. Anmol Pawar, please answer. Please show us facts that Punjab's debt has reduced by 1 lakh crore.
Ask him to answer one of my questions. Are we debating Punjab debt? Are we debating Punjab debt today?
Well, we were debating. Now, Abhijit Iyer Mitra, since there is nobody else who will give me, any cover fire, I'm asking you. We were debating why is the opposition so riled about the Melody video. They brought in every other problem. Now, if he's being asked the question on Punjab, I'm being called the villain here. Abhijit Iyer Mitra, is this fair? Is this fair? If economic situation is the debate, then Punjab is part of India. We can ask questions.
Exactly.
Look, here is the point. Nobody brought up fuel tax, VAT or anything except the AAP gentleman. Now that he's been countered on his own points, he is getting angry. This is like Mr. Arvind Kejriwal first hurling muck at the Justice Swarnakanta Sharma. Then when she gets upset with him, he starts boycotting the proceedings. अब जैसे अरविंद केजरीवाल वैसे ही हमारे मित्र
अनमोल पवार जी. Anmol Pawar ji, let's come back to the topic. The topic that we start. 1 minute.
Watched by millions of people. 1 second.
Right now, that video is being watched by hundreds of millions of people. Melody, the Melody video.
No, I'm saying something serious. People often message me that they have seen many facts, etc. You show your expose, the expose that you do on corruption, etc. on your show. Somebody claims, a national spokesperson, that 1 lakh crore debt of Punjab has been decreased. Anand Ranganathan has asked the question. I am saying I'm ready to challenge my political career, or else Mr. Pawar will say I'm a liar and he will quit the politics, or I will quit the politics. Let us do this, Navika. Let us have the standard of
the debate. It is between you and Mr. Pawar. Do you want to take Shehzad Poonawala on? Please be my guest.
Dikha do.
शहजाद पूनावाला, आप भी दिखा दो, आज एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि महाराष्ट्र का डेट 4 लाख करोड़ है, उत्तर प्रदेश का डेट 7 लाख करोड़ है, महाराष्ट्र का डेट 7.5 लाख करोड़ है, गुजरात का डेट 5 लाख करोड़ है, हरियाणा का डेट 5 लाख करोड़ है, और आपने 8 में से एक भी सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया क्योंकि आप कायर हो, बिकॉज यू आर अफ्रेड, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री.
ऑल राइट, वी आर नाउ टॉकिंग प्रधानमंत्री गद्दार है, शहजाद पूनावाला कायर है. Tehseen Poonawala, do you want to add anything to this list of adjectives?
Before Tehseen comes in.
This evening we had the BJP in a corner. The Aam Aadmi Party, true to its character, has come and helped the BJP. True to its character, we are seeing this on national TV. We had them in a corner.
Anand Ranganathan. Sunil ji, aa rahi hu aapke paas. Sunil ji, aa rahi hu. Anand.
So
Navika, look.
BJP agent, Tehseen is a BJP agent, and
Navika, there's an echo.
Okay,
sorry.
यहाँ सब कुछ एको हो रहा है.
5 BJP panelists.
It's not a hiccup, na?
Navika. Navika, please. There are 2 women on the panel. Let us respect them. I want to ask a very simple question. Look, Abhijit is nodding here, so yes. Aam Aadmi Party, Kejriwal promised they will give 1,000 rupees to every woman in Punjab in 2022.
आप मुझे ये बताइए अनमोल जी, ये रोल आउट कब करी स्कीम? साल बता दीजिए, बस साल बताइए।
गद्दार हो, कायर हो
आनंद जी।
कौन गद्दार?
कायर हो।
और साथ में जो है, साथ में आनंद जी 2 सवाल और पूछ लीजिएगा अगर आप में हिम्मत हो तो। वी हैव ऑलरेडी रोल्ड आउट दिस स्कीम, वी आर पासिंग ऑन द बेनिफिट्स टू द विमेन ऑफ पंजाब। नाउ आस्क बीजेपी स्पोक्सपर्सन, दिल्ली में 2,500 रुपए क्यों, कब देंगे? 1 साल हो गया, मार्च में वादा किया था, आज 1.5 साल हो गया, आज तक नहीं दिए। बिहार में लोग कह रहे हैं कि हमारे
fair point, please respond.
नाविका जी,
you also promised.
मैं आ रहा हूँ।
Your manifesto also had that. You know, when you ask the question of the Aam Aadmi Party, you should also respond.
First of all, please, Navika, मैंने किसी के बीच में नहीं बोला, but he is constantly shouting.
Anmol Pawar, fair question. I've asked the question of Shehzad. He's responding. He is responding. Anmol Pawar, जवाब सुन लीजिए.
Navika, see, he will not let me answer unless you allow me to answer. How will I answer? He will not let me answer. I know him. I've done hundreds of debates. He does not let the answer come. You will have to.
Anmol Pawar ji is responding to your question. I pressed him to answer the question. Please listen to the answer. Shehzad.
Navika ji, first of all.
Please ask on Delhi, Maharashtra.
Navika, they will not let me answer.
Anmol Pawar ji, on the women scheme, I have asked the question. Hold on. Wait for the answer. Shehzad.
Navika, firstly, it is proven beyond reasonable doubt that 1 lakh crore से पंजाब का डेट कम नहीं हुआ है. So that was the fact that he. So one second.
The question.
Navika, I'm saying.
Ma'am,
can I answer? I will answer according to my situation.
Okay. महिलाओं की बात करो. Come on.
I will answer according to my thing. I will definitely answer according to my way. Now I am saying that when he has quoted such a wrong fact, can you believe him on any other fact? लोकपाल आने वाले थे, पंजाब में लोकपाल आया. As far as the, I'm coming. I'm coming on that also. As far as the महिला के लिए काम का जो विषय है, every state in which we are in power, we have delivered on it, and in Delhi too, on 8th March this year. 8th March, the entire, we have to first plan how many women, etc. It has to be given to, what is the modality.
Okay.
It has already been started. And we are in our first year of government, not 4 years of government, unlike Punjab government. Therefore, I'm asking, where is the 1 lakh crore?
Anmol Pawar has his answer.
1 lakh crore.
Delhi, the rollout has not begun. Groundwork being done. That is the answer. Well, Anmol, I leave it at that. मैं जितनी लंबी डिबेट कर लूं, मुझे लगता है कि हमेशा टाइम कम पड़ जाता है. We are always short of time, and somebody wants to make an additional point. But we did a short survey. Sweet gestures mark Modi-Melanie meet. Candy Crush, is the opposition bitter? Yes, say 90% of the people. No, say 6%. Can't say 4%. Why should a sweet melody packet make the opposition just so bitter when the internet is literally crashing away on this gesture of Prime Minister? Have we lost our sense of humor? My vote is for Reporter Sans Friends. No, Humor Sans Frontiers organization be set up, and humor index of every country now be rated, and I'm sure Indians will come out last here as well, because the opposition just seems to have no sense of humor. And this is not taking a dig or a pot shot at anybody. It is just a moment. Our problems, our challenges stay. We continue to ask those questions. We will keep demanding answers. We will keep updating all of these challenges that still exist. But one moment, making people rattle out statements like the Prime Minister is a traitor, is that proportionate reaction? That's a judgment I leave to you, the viewer, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the show. Also, Dr. Fuad Halim, we missed you till the end, but you can't call anybody names and still say, I don't like coming to your panel, when you actually voluntarily agreed to come. My apologies if I disrespected you. That was definitely not the intention. Good night. Be safe, viewers.